Here the question is, hardening of leather in tanning industry is based on which of the following process? The first one is given as electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the movement of charged colloidal particles under the influence of an electric field, and it causes them to migrate towards the oppositely charged electron. And the second option is electroosmosis. This is the movement of liquid through a porous material or a capillary tube induced by an applied electric field due to the migration of ions in the liquid. The third one is given as mutual coagulation. This refers to the process where two different types of colloidal particles with opposite charges come together and neutralize each other. This leads to their aggregation and precipitation. This results in the settling out of the particles from the colloidal dispersion. And the last one is given as Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is the scattering of light by the colloidal particles in a suspension, which makes the light beam visible when passing through the colloid. Here the hardening of leather in tanning industry is due to the mutual coagulation, because during the tanning process leather is treated with the tanning agents that have charges opposite to those of the collagen fibers in the animal hides. The interaction between the charged tanning agents and the charged protein molecules in the hide leads to the mutual coagulation or aggregation. This mutual coagulation causes the collagen fibers to bind tightly together, resulting in the hardening and stabilization of the leather. This process makes the leather more durable, less prone to decomposition, and more resistant to water and microbial attack. So the correct answer is option C.